Hello everyone, nice to see you again in this new video and news topics. Today we are going to learn a new topic, how to make questions correctly. And I hope that this lesson will help the student to learn online during staying at home because of COVID-19 បាទសួស្តីអ្នកនរគ្នាថ្ងៃនេះណាយើងនឹងសិក្សាប្រធានបទថ្មីគឺរបៀបបង្កើតប្រយោគសំណួរឲ្យបានត្រឹមត្រូវ Because I recognize that some people, especially some of my students, still have some mistake when they make question. So after learning this lesson, I hope that they are able to make question accurately, correct grammar, and able to ask every question by using the correct form. Now, start our lesson. Before starting our lesson, please have to subscribe my YouTube channel. បាទមុននឹងចាប់ផ្ដើមសូមជួយចុច subscribe ឬក៏ពាក្យជាវនិងចុចលើរូបកណ្ដឹងដើម្បីទទួលបានវីដេអូថ្មីៗ Now look at the sentences below នេះគឺលេខមើលប្រយោគទាំង5នេះ So the 5 sentences are incorrect. So some students still confused because they think that all these sentences are correct. Now read with me together. Do you save? Yes, it is incorrect. Does she beautiful? Also incorrect. Do you a student? Yes, it is incorrect. Are they go to school every day? What time was you get up yesterday? Yeah, so all the 5 sentence is not correct sentence because it used in wrong grammar. Now, in order to make sure and understand more, please go to our lesson. How to make questions correctly. របៀបបង្កើតប្រយោគសំណួរឲ្យបានត្រឹមត្រូវ Note 1. When we want to make question with an adjective or noun, we need to use auxiliary verb to be, is, am, are, was, or were. ជានៅពេលដែលយើងចង់បង្កើតប្រយោគសំណួរនៅពីក្រោយប្រធានគឺជា adjective ឬក៏ជា noun យើងត្រូវការប្រើ auxiliary verb គឺកិរិយាសព្ទជំនួយ to be គឺមាន is am are ឬក៏ was were is am are យើងប្រើនៅក្នុង present tense ហើយ was were នេះសម្រាប់ past tense គឺអតីតកាលយើងបានទម្រង់មួយ form WA question គឺយើងអាចដាក់ក៏បានអត់ក៏បានអាស្រ័យទៅលើប្រយោគដែលយើងចង់សួរ plus to be plus subjects plus noun or adjective and plus anything. So now go to see our example. Why are you lazy today? So the word lazy is an adjective after subject. So the to be is we use are because today is to show about the present simple. So we use are here. We cannot use why do you lazy today because lazy is an adjective. Why are you lazy today? ហេតុអ្វីបានជាអ្នកខ្ជិលថ្ងៃនេះ Number 2. Is he polite? Yeah, we don't use WA question in this question. Is he polite? តើគាត់សុភាពរាបសារទេ So the word polite is also an adjective. So you need to use with to be is because subject is he. Number 3. Am I a rude boy? Am I a rude boy? A rude boy here is a compound noun. So it's a noun. So we use to be am because the subject is I. Where are your parents? Where are your parents? So your parent is adjective, is a noun. So we use to be. Number 5. What is your name? Yes, this after the subject is a noun, so we use to be is. Continue. Were you a soldier in 1988? Were you a soldier in 1988? តើអ្នកគឺជាទាហានឬនៅឆ្នាំ1988 So in 1988 it show about the past tense. It's already happened, so we cannot use ismr, so we use verb because the subject is you. So it is to show about the past simple. Number 7. Why were you unhappy last night? Why were you unhappy last night? ហេតុអ្វីបានជាអ្នកមិនសប្បាយចិត្តកាលពីយប់មិញ? So the word unhappy is also an adjective, and last night show about past simple or past tense, so we use were here. Note 2. ចំណាំទី 2. When we want to make question with a verb, we need to use auxiliary verbs differently according to its tense. ចឹងនៅពេលដែលយើងចង់បង្កើតប្រយោគសំណួរជាមួយគីអាសព្ទបន្ទាប់ពីប្រធាន យើងត្រូវតែប្រើ auxiliary verb ប្លែកៗឬក៏ផ្សេងៗគ្នាអាស្រ័យទៅលើ tense ឬក៏ការរបស់ប្រយោគនោះ Example: Why do you work on Sundays? Why do you work on Sunday? ចឹងប្រយោគនេះគឺជា present simple នៅពេលដែលយើងបង្កើតជាមួយគីអាសព្ទ work ចឹងយើងត្រូវប្រើ do ដោយសារប្រធានគឺ you. Do you work on Sunday? ហេតុអ្វីបានជាអ្នកធ្វើការនៅថ្ងៃអាទិត្យ Number 2. Where does she study? Where does she study? តើនាងសិក្សានៅឯណា ចឹងពាក្យ study គឺជាគីអាសព្ទ នៅពេលដែលយើងប្រើជាមួយប្រធាន she យើងត្រូវប្រើ does នៅក្នុង present simple. Number 3. What are you doing? What are you doing? ចឹងប្រយោគនេះគឺជា present continuous គឺរូបមន្ត present continuous ក្នុងប្រយោគសំណួរអាចដាក់ប្រយោគ question plus to be plus subject plus verb ing. Yeah. Number 4. Is she dancing? Is she dancing? ចឹងប្រយោគហ្នឹងគឺក៏ជា present continuous ដែរគឺយើងប្រើជាមួយ he she it គឺយើងត្រូវប្រើ to be is ចឹង is ហ្នឹងគឺនៅពីក្រោយវាមិនមែនជា adjective ឬក៏ជា noun ទេប៉ុន្តែវាគឺជា present continuous. Number 5. What did you eat last week? What did you eat last week? តើអ្នកបានញ៉ាំអ្វីកាលពីសប្តាហ៍មុន ចឹងប្រយោគនេះនៅពេលដែលយើងឃើញពាក្យថា last week វាគឺបង្ហាញអំពីអតីតកាល past simple ចឹង past គ្រប់ប្រយោគសំណួរ past simple ទាំងអស់យើងប្រើ did ជាមួយប្រធានទាំងអស់គឺយើងត្រូវប្រើ did WH question plus did plus subject plus verb 1 plus objects. Continue. Number 6. What time did she leave school last Friday? What time did she leave school last Friday? តើនាងបានចាក់ចេញពីសាលានៅម៉ោងប៉ុន្មាននៅថ្ងៃសុក្រសប្តាហ៍មុន ចឹងប្រយោគហ្នឹងក៏បង្ហាញអំពី past simple ដែរចឹងគឺ subject ទាំងអស់យើងត្រូវប្រើជាមួយ did. Number 7. When will you finish your studying? When will you finish your studying? តើអ្នកនឹងបញ្ចប់ការសិក្សារបស់អ្នកនៅពេលណាចឹងប្រយោគនេះគឺជាប្រយោគដែលមិនទាន់កើតឡើងគេហៅថា future simple ចឹង future simple នៅក្នុងប្រយោគសំណួរគឺយើងបានរូបមន្ត WH question plus will plus subject plus verb plus object ចឹងគឺ subject ទាំងអស់ I you we they his it យើងត្រូវប្រើជាមួយ will ទាំងអស់ Number 8. What time will you go? What time will you go? តើអ្នកនឹងទៅនៅពេលណានៅម៉ោងប៉ុន្មាន Yes, so you should remember that when we use adjective or noun after the subjects we need to use to be, ismr or was verb. But when we use verb we need to know about the form of the tense and we can make question correctly. So finish our lesson today. I hope you understand. If you don't understand, you can ask me in the comment. Now continue to our homework. Write to English សរសេរប្រយោគទាំងនេះទៅជាភាសាអង់គ្លេស Number 1. តើបងប្រុសរបស់អ្នកជាគ្រូបង្រៀនឬ Number 2 តើនាងបានទៅណាកាលពីខែមុន Number 3 ហេតុអ្វីបានជាតារាឆ្លើយម្លេះកាលពីម្សិលមិញ Before you write the sentence, you should think that the sentence is a noun or adjective after the subject, or it is a verb. And then you can go to see the form. In our lesson, you can do it. Yes, goodbye. I hope that you enjoy this lesson. And don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and click on the notification bell in order to get new video. បាទមុននឹងបញ្ចប់សូមជួយចុច subscribe និងពាក្យជាវដើម្បីទទួលបានវីដេអូថ្មីៗ Goodbye, good luck, see you in the next video.